My Way Teaching Aids Private Limited.
Science. Grade 8 Unit 5. Sound. Sound. Sound is a form of energy which is produced when air molecules vibrate in a particular pattern called waves. How sound is produced? A sound is always produced by a vibrating body. Sound cannot be produced without any vibration. The SI unit for expressing the loudness of a sound is decibel, decibel. Sound produced by humans. Human beings generate sound from an organ called the larynx or voice box present in the throat. Posterior view of vocal cord. Anterior view of vocal cord. Sounds produced by musical instruments. Stringed instruments. Wind instruments. Formation of organism. Propagation of sound. Travel of sound through solid. Travel of sound through liquid. Travel of sound through air. How does sound travel? Movement of pendulum. Wave shape for a low-pitched sound. Amplitude, frequency, time period, pitch. Wave shape for a low-pitched sound. Wave shape for a high-pitched sound. Waveform of different materials. Tuning fork, flute, voice, violin. Reflection of sound. Applications of reflection of sound. Sonar. Stethoscope. Megaphone. Applications of reflection of sound. Noise pollution. Jackhammer. Bulldozer. Leaf blower.
Thanks for watching this video.